The use of a scrubber dryer is recommended for the efficient cleaning of large floor areas in workshops and industrial companies. It enables the wet scrubbing and wet vacuuming in a single step. The cleaning solution is filled into the fresh water tank. With an onboard dosage system, the filling of the fresh water tank is performed using clean water. The undiluted cleaning agent is filled into a separate cleaning agent tank. Depending on type and degree of soiling, alkaline industrial cleaning agents or suitable basic cleaning agents are used for the cleaning of the floor. The floor surface to be cleaned is first cleared of loose dirt by means of manual or mechanical sweeping, as such soiling can have a negative effect during the scrubber dryer cleaning or could damage the scrubber dryer. To start the cleaning process, the scrubber unit and suction device are switched on and lowered. Subsequently, the floor is scrubbed in systematic, slightly overlapping rows. An anticipatory and careful method of working are a matter of course for the prevention of accidents and damage. Driving speed and water amount are regulated depending on floor quality and degree of soiling. In the event of persistent contamination such as oil, grease, and rubber abrasion, the driving speed is reduced and the water supply is increased. Tip: decrease the water supply when driving along curves in order to prevent the formation of puddles. Depending on the industrial floor, different pads or brushes are utilized. Here, the use of strongly abrasive pads should be avoided in order to prevent floor damage. A warning sign with the notice "slippery when wet" must be set up when performing the work. Following the use, the machine, equipment and accessories must be cleaned correctly and checked for wear. In order to avoid microbial contamination of the tanks, they should be allowed to dry completely. For this reason, the tank opening should not be closed during storage.